Have you ever dreamed of turning a small investment into a life-changing fortune, just like those Bitcoin millionaires we all hear about? Let me take you on a journey, one that starts in the shoes of the everyday employee, maybe someone just like you, struggling to make ends meet, balancing a job, kids, and a never-ending list of expenses. It's a story of hope, of finding that light at the end of the tunnel through Bitcoin. You see, amidst the countless bills and responsibilities, there lies an opportunity, a digital gold rush that could be your ticket to financial freedom. But as we embark on this journey together, remember, the path to wealth through Bitcoin is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And in this video, I'll guide you through the top 3 golden rules of Bitcoin investing, rules that could potentially transform your financial landscape. So, stick with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could be the key to unlocking a new era of financial well-being for you and your family. The first golden rule of Bitcoin investing is all about research and understanding. It's essential to recognize that diving into Bitcoin without a solid grasp of its fundamentals is akin to navigating a maze blindfolded. This rule emphasizes the need for a thorough understanding of Bitcoin and its underlying technology, blockchain. It's about realizing that Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolutionary concept that has the potential to redefine our traditional financial systems. Effective research is the cornerstone of this rule. It involves delving into credible sources, learning from experts, and engaging with the Bitcoin community. Whether it's through reputable financial websites, educational books, or cryptocurrency forums, the aim is to build a robust knowledge base. This research should also include understanding the historical trends of Bitcoin, which can offer invaluable insights into its volatile market behavior. Learning from real-life examples is another critical aspect of this rule. Success stories of early Bitcoin adopters who reaped significant rewards due to their in-depth understanding can be highly inspirational. Conversely, tales of those who suffered losses due to inadequate research or poor understanding serve as stark reminders of the risks involved. These examples underline the importance of being well-informed before making any investment decisions. In summary, the first golden rule, research and understanding, is about empowering oneself with knowledge before venturing into Bitcoin investing. It's a blend of grasping the technicalities of Bitcoin and blockchain, conducting thorough and ongoing research, learning from both successful and unsuccessful investors, and applying this knowledge to make informed investment decisions. This rule is the foundation upon which successful Bitcoin investment strategies are built. The second golden rule of Bitcoin investing centers on the critical concept of risk management. At its core, this rule acknowledges the inherent volatility of Bitcoin and the need for strategic planning to navigate its unpredictable market. Understanding Bitcoin's volatility is paramount. It prepares investors for the highs and lows, helping them make decisions not swayed by emotions, but grounded in rationality. A fundamental tenet of this rule is the principle of investing only what one can afford to lose. This approach is about financial prudence, ensuring that your investment in Bitcoin does not jeopardize your essential financial obligations or your family's well-being. It's about recognizing that while Bitcoin offers significant growth potential, it should not be a venue for risking vital life savings or funds earmarked for crucial needs. Diversification and setting clear investment goals are key strategies under this rule. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. It's about not putting all your financial eggs in the Bitcoin basket. Setting clear investment goals helps in defining your strategy, whether for long-term growth or short-term gains, and guides you in making informed decisions about when to buy, hold, or sell. In essence, the second golden rule, risk management, is a safeguard against the unpredictable swings of the Bitcoin market. It emphasizes informed and cautious investing, where decisions are based on a well-thought-out strategy rather than impulsive reactions to market changes. This rule is a compass for navigating the tumultuous waters of Bitcoin investing, ensuring that investors maintain a level head and a steady course towards their financial goals. Ready to transform your financial life? Join the Wealth and Focus family now. Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay ahead in your personal finance journey. We deliver content twice a week, covering everything from smart saving tips to savvy investing strategies, all tailored to empower you even if you're starting with a modest budget. Whether you're an employee seeking to enhance your economic well-being or someone looking to cultivate a wealth mindset, our channel is your go-to resource. Don't miss out on our practical, easy-to-understand advice that could be the key to your financial success. Subscribe now and start your journey to a more prosperous life with wealth and focus. The third golden rule of Bitcoin investing is focused on embracing a long-term strategy. The third golden rule of Bitcoin investing is focused on embracing a long-term strategy. This rule is crucial for navigating the volatile landscape of cryptocurrency investment, where short-term market fluctuations are frequent and often unpredictable. A long-term strategy involves looking beyond the immediate highs and lows, focusing instead on the potential growth of Bitcoin over an extended period. This perspective is not only about patience, but also about understanding the historical growth patterns of Bitcoin and its projected future trajectory. Developing a long-term investment plan is at the heart of this rule. It requires setting specific, achievable financial goals and aligning your Bitcoin investment strategy with these objectives. Whether it's saving for retirement, securing your children's education, or building a safety net for the future, a well-defined plan helps in making disciplined investment decisions. It's about resisting the temptation to react hastily to short-term market movements and instead keeping your eyes on the long-term prize. Sustainability in Bitcoin investing is another key aspect of this rule. It's about balancing your Bitcoin investment with other financial commitments and responsibilities. This approach ensures that your investment in Bitcoin is part of a broader, diversified financial portfolio, reducing the risk of overexposure to cryptocurrency market volatility. A sustainable investment strategy also involves regularly reviewing and adjusting your Bitcoin holdings in line with changing market conditions and personal financial circumstances. In conclusion, the third golden rule, long-term strategy, is about the thoughtful cultivation of your Bitcoin investment over time. It's a commitment to steady, calculated growth underpinned by a deep understanding of Bitcoin's potential and its place within your overall financial plan. This rule is the guiding light for those seeking to harness the power of Bitcoin for significant, sustainable wealth generation in the long run. As we wrap up today's insightful journey into the world of smart saving and wise investing, remember that your path to financial success is a journey we're excited to be a part of. If you found value in our content and are eager to continue transforming your financial life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Wealth and Focus community, where empowerment and practical strategies meet. And if today's content resonated with you, or if you have any thoughts or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below to share your experiences or ask questions you might have. Your interaction fuels our passion to provide more valuable content. So subscribe, comment, and let's embark on this journey to financial success together with Wealth and Focus.